Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix low FPS and lagging in Rocket League, and in this video I will show you a lot of ways how you can do that, and probably you will fix this issue with this video, right? So first of all, what you need to do here, first one, you just need to go to Epic Games and go to library and right click on Rocket League. As you can see here, it's running, so I cannot do that. But if you're not running Rocket League, you can then go to manage and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed, so please do that, right? And another thing that you can do here is to update your operating system and GPU drivers. So go to device manager and go to display adapters and just right click on it, update drivers, and then search automatically for drivers and see if there is a drivers that you need to be basically you need to update, right? And same with another way. So depending on what GPU you're using, NVIDIA or AMD. If you're using NVIDIA, you need to install GeForce Experience, and then you just need to go to drivers, check for updates, and download the latest drivers here. And if you're using AMD Radeon, you just need to download the AMD Radeon app and then hit there, basically check for updates. And once do, then you can update your Windows operating system. So you just need to write check for updates, and then you just need to go to check for updates, and if there is some updates that need to be installed, please do so right here, and then restart your computer and try if you're getting basically low FPS and lagging or not. And another way, what you need to do here, you need to go to game bar options. So game mode, just write game mode settings here, make sure that game mode is on. As you can see here, when game mode is on, Windows optimizes your PC for play, and go to captures and make sure that you're not recording in the background while you're playing the game. So basically it uses a lot of CPU, and it may cause the FPS low FPS or lagging on your computer. And also, if we go to edit power plan, and if we go to power options, make sure that basically you're selecting the highest option. So as you can see here, for this one is high performance, as you can see here, but may use more energy. So you need to select the highest one, right? If you don't want to have any FPS, low FPS or lagging, right? And another thing that you need to do here, you need to open up your task manager, and then you need to basically run Rocket League first, and then go to details. Then you need to scroll down until you see Rocket League here. Right click on it, go to set priority and set it to high, right? And then change settings. And once you do that, then another thing that you need to do here, you need to go to processes and just end the tasks that requires a lot of memory and CPU. So for me, as you can see here, I'm using Chrome OBS Studio, but if I just want to play the game and maybe these tasks are running, I will basically close them up if I'm basically experiencing low FPS or lagging issues, right? And the last thing that you can do here, you can go to Rocket League. You need to go to settings, you need to go to video, and make sure to select render quality to performance, render detail to performance, texture detail, world detail, and particle detail to performance as well, and see if you're getting this issue or not. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.